Hello and welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we want to see how to enter bulk data in an Excel sheet in the easiest way. Now, assuming you're working in a company where you have the columns as you are seeing here, we have name, gender, employee ID, department, rank, and date of employment. Now, for you to create a simple dashboard for entry, first of all, select the entire sheet, then go to format as table, then choose the color that suits you. Going that one, then make sure you check in my table as headers, then click OK. Now this will be, it is now a table, it is no longer data sheet. As you can see, we have those drop downs. We have the drop downs for gender, then we have drop down for IDI and department and every. So let's assume you want to, if you don't see this thing here in your quick access, just click this drop down, go to more commands, then go to commands not in the ribbon, then scroll up to, then you'll see the option of form. You're looking for form, then there is form, then click add, then finish by OK. So I want to press because I already have mine. So if you don't, just press that and it will appear up there. So if you click that, after putting it there, you will see this pop up with a simple data entry. So assume you put that thing there, it won't work because you must select at least one cell. So let's put it there, click, then you can see the first employee will appear. Now here you can add a new, let's try adding a new employee. Let's just write a simple name, Noli. I don't know if this name for a human being, but let's just assume there is somebody called that way. Then it's a male. Employee ID is this one. Department is communication. Rank is the HOD department, head of department, sorry. Then employment date is 12 this year. Then just press enter, and then that will automatically be added. So this is useful in case your company has thousands and thousands of employees. So clicking through the sheet to find the one you're looking for may be tiresome or maybe even impossible. So let's try entering a new employee, Phoebe. Phoebe must be female if I'm not wrong. Then employee ID, just choose a number. Then department, human resource. Rank, let's do assistant manager. Then employment date is this one. Excuse. So let's press enter. Another employee is added. So this is the simplest way to add employees. So let's add another one. Then let's do so let's see how we use these categories here. First one, let's just assume we want to add another Fred. Let's add as Fred Nice. Then this is employee ID. Then department is digital department. There is no such department in any organization. So for the sake of this, let's just do it. Digital creator, yes, that is what Freddy do. Then date of employment, let's just write it, but it's not applicable, so no, 2021, then that is a day. So let's push this here. So let's assume you want to let's put it there. I want where you can see it everything. So let's see how you can use this dashes here from previous, then it will just give you the previous entry. So you can just go to scroll backwards, and as you scroll it will count on the top. As you can see, the last one was number 5, which is Fred. Then let's see how you can use this called criteria. Now for criteria, you may want to search for an employee, but you don't know every detail about him or her. So you can just use a simple criteria of what you know, so that you search for him. So let's see, Fred is male, so his employee ID is this one, but we don't know the other form. So if you just write the criteria of what you know and then click form, then it will bring you the original name of that person. So if you want to go back to criteria, just click criteria. So as you can see, provided you give reasons for the program to identify the person, it will do. So let's say Fred, we want to enter him as a YouTuber, then we just figure out that is not good. So you can use this restore button to go back to the original form that you entered. So let's see, if you delete it from this sheet, it will be deleted from the database as well. So let's add another one, Tom. Then is a male, employment ID is this one. Then let's see, department, let's see, it is HRM or human resource management. Then is the second manager. I don't know if there is such a rank. So let's just date of employment. I know there is no 32, we only have 31st of March. Let's say, is this really a date? Yes, 2012. So let's just press, oh no, let's, this second manager, don't like it, so let's just do with something else. What do we need to write here? Let's just let's just like, it's a cleaner. Yes, it's a cleaner, we were forgetting. Then that one enters there as a cleaner. So this is the date of employment, this is it. So this is how you use this for criteria. If you want to scroll through, if the list is long, you can use this scroll bar to scroll through. You can also use this to scroll through. You see, now you can use criteria, you can use the find next, find previous, new, delete, and you can close it if you've entered what you wanted to enter. So you can check this of undo table expansion, that will deter the table from expanding automatically. Let's just leave it at that point. So that is how you enter bulk